In this video, we are going to see how we can identify different region sales in a map. So we are going to build a map chart in Tableau, and that's a very interesting chart which is used in advanced presentation. So let's learn how to do that. But to practice on that kind of data, we need to work on this data. Tableau relevant sample data. This file, you can find it in the description of this video. So we just have to make sure that the relevant country, region, and state and city are shown in the data. That can be identified automatically in Tableau as a region and as a country. So here we are in the main screen. You can just close the existing data, just save the copy of it, just close that data. And after that, we are back on this main screen. Let's click on Microsoft Excel and choose our data. Since this is a CSV file, we need to change it to all files. And this is the relevant data. Click open. Now, if it shows you the error message, that means we need to connect and convert this data into a normal Excel file. So let's go to file, click on save as, and save another copy as Excel workbook. Click save. And now let's try connecting the data again. Microsoft Excel. This is the relevant sample data. And that's it. Since all of this data is on a single page, we can go in the sheets directly, and we need to make sure of this thing. This is a very important thing in maps data, that in tables, the city and region are properly identified. The postal codes are properly identified as a region. How we know it? Because this world sign is shown behind each kind of parameter. Now at the bottom, you can notice that with this sheet, we have automatically generated fields in Tableau, that is latitude and longitude. They are basically the coordinates to map the regions and map the earth. So we will use that to build a map in the sheet. So let's use that. Let's hold this longitude and put it in the columns, and let's hold the latitude and put it in the rows. And here we see a complete world map. Now let's plot some data here on the world map, so that we can identify different performance city-wise, country-wise on a map plot. So let's hold the country and put it in the details. This will identify different countries that is used in the data, and it is highlighted all of them in a circle style. Now let's put the cities as well and put it in the details. And you can see the circles are now increased so that it can show that within Germany, let's say that we have different couple of sales in different cities or regions. Now what we need to do is, instead of identifying this sales as a circle, we need to identify this as maps. So just hold the marks. From automatic, let's change it to map. But as we can see, the city is too dispersed. If you put it like this, it will not show anything. So we have to pick a bigger parameter. If we identified it as a country, you can see that all of the countries are properly highlighted. Once we change this look to map from automatic, it is going to highlight that. But let's say that we want to see the further details. Let's put a bigger subdivision, that is state or province. Let's put it here, or let's put it in the details, and it will show it like this. As you can see, it's all highlighted in different parts of the state or province. Actually, let's keep country only. Let's remove the province, and it is showing us results like this. We have sales all over the world in many regions, whatever is highlighted. Let's say that we want to add colors now. Let's take a bigger parameter like state. Let's put it in the colors, and you can see that it's identified in different colors where we are making the sales. So not in whole Canada, we are only making the sales in this 2 or 3 regions. So that's a very good way to identify where actually you are making the sales. We can use all of these parameters to highlight and see different regions here. We can also search for, let's say, Canada. We can switch to Canada like this. Now let's say that we want to put the sales into the record. The problem is we need to convert this data into a proper data so that it can plot properly. Just click on this drop down and click on convert to continuous. What we can do is just right click here, change this data type to number whole, and then we have to right click and convert it to a dimension. And now we want to put the sales in the labels. So just hold it, place it here, and we can see we have different sales in different regions appearing like this. So in Canada, the sales is 1374. In Canada Quebec region, the sales is 1221. So that's how we can create a basic map in Tableau. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.